As a user of Salesforce, you're going to want to customize each app that you have so that the tabs and objects on top are set to your preference. So, whatever you use most often, you want it to be easily accessible and in front of your eyes. So, say if I'm a salesperson and I log into Salesforce, I land on this page, or I want to go to another app that I need to customize so that these tabs are as I want them. I will go to the app launcher, type in the app I'm looking for, if you're not already on it, and access that page. So once it loads, and say I want to adjust these, I think I'm missing, for example, approval processes, and I use that tab often. I can edit this um, to make it more accessible and personalized for myself. So I'm going to go to the top right of this page where this little pencil is and click that. And will help me edit my navigation bar, which is where these tabs are. That's what it's called. So we're going to click on that, and you'll see in a vertical order the tabs that are actually laid out on the navigation bar. And you can click, drag, and adjust those to change the order of where they are. So, for example, if I access my dashboards and reports a lot, I just move those to be more accessible to me on this page. Additionally, you can click add more items to add additional objects that you may use more often. So I'm going to go and click all so I could see all of the different items that I can add on this page. And like I said before, I think I prefer to have approval requests on there because I access that a lot. I'm going to add that item to the page. Now we see it here, approval requests, and I'm going to drag it so I can ensure it's in my vision. After pinning on the size of the name, um, it won't be, I guess, that easily visible, and you'll see what I'm talking about afterwards. So I'm going to drag approval requests up there right where I want it. And on the bottom right here, I'm going to click save to save this. Now we're going to see this reflected at the top. So you see I have my dashboards and reports more visible to my eye. I have my approval requests here. What I was saying earlier, over time, the more that you add to this, it's not going to be right in front of your eyes. You're going to have to click more and see the additional uh, objects on the navigation bar that aren't there. So that's why dragging and adjusting these according to your preference is really nice. Um, if you aren't going to add more, you can actually just drag these across the top and change where they're located as well if you don't. I prefer the other way because it's a little bit easier to manage. So but that's how you personalize